What's up, YouTubers? Do you want to watch some human stupidity? Well, why wait? Well, here's the damage. I think I can kiss this puppy goodbye. As you can see, the color, that's obviously not a problem. I'm concerned with this portion here. You would have wanted this to be, I don't know what you call it, machine surface. So in theory it could be grounded and maybe it can be fixed. Obviously not what I'm gonna trouble with myself today. So this is it. Bye bye. Now obviously the TTS holder is busted. Do not think that this is my first one. This is actually my second. And I usually use this guy to leave on the R8 collet whenever I'm not using the machine, because I have the drawbar, the power drawbar, but I don't need two for that. So maybe I can go and sit on this one. Okay, that was X-rated. I'm sorry, I apologize. But yeah, that's how I feel like today. So thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel, and hopefully no more human stupidity for today.